Anyway, it started, finally. I don't want to go to your party.
Mean boy, because he is.
Mean boy, because he is. I need to change my clock. Dude, clock. Oh my god. I can be.
Me, Peter.
I can be two gnomes.
I mean, tomorrow.
I can be two gnomes. What is this?
Mean boy. That's one gnome. Oh, it's not a gnome.
Oh.
Mean boy.
What should I change it to? Isn't this an Undertale character? I don't know. You don't know anything about Undertale. I don't know why I'm asking you that.
I got a pony.
I'm gonna be a skeleton and I'm gonna make.
I got a big ass bear.
My ball exploded! God damn it. It didn't take very long. It lasted a few days. This is why I can't have fidget balls. I'm gonna break them.
Fidget balls.
Look at this hairstyle. Jesus. Why does it fit the skeleton so well? Like, it looks like it's meant to be on its scalp.
Wait, it looks sexy as hell. I'm gonna give my skeleton a bunny hat.
Oh. I look like Bret Michaels. No, I don't. I'm gonna give mine like a flaming mohawk.
Mohawk?
Yep.
Come on.
Nicki Minaj hair.
Come back, Daddy.
I'm gonna.
Somebody's attacking me. Come out.
Oh my god. What is happening? Tap.
I was just gonna say, okay.
Why is there I forgot to take the squid off of my head.
Okay, wait. Get my car.
Okay. I'm like a fancy skeleton. Kenya Street. Isn't that like a country in Africa? Okay. Where are we going? Oh. Why are we so silent?
I'm very focused on this.
Well, I can't tell that you're focused because you're crashing into every other thing.
Do you want to see something sad?
Yep. Oh my god, really?
You have to push me.
I can't push you, dumb daps. Dumbass.
Wait, yeah, you can't. Wait, go into tools, and then I think there's like a stroller in there that I want you to push me in.
Alright, wait.
Get a fucking stroller, you hoe bag. Our trucks are having a good time. Get a damn stroller!
How? Oh.
Stroller. Dad!
What is happening?
I'm gonna drop you off here. Wait, no. Don't get out. Goodbye. Wait. Goodbye. I'm gonna drift away.
Can I play the electric guitar? No, I can't.
Goodbye.
Why do I have a syringe?
Goodbye.
Oh. Are you the... Where'd you go?
Do you want me to... I flew away.
Oh.
Do you want me to come back?
Yeah. What is this? Is this a barbecue?
I have a grappling hook.
Won't spawn. I have handcuffs. Oh.
Get in my dump truck. It's my dump truck!
Why did it load so slowly? Why did I like sit in it before it even loaded? Look at my truck. Like my truck. The bot. BT bot. His name was supposed to be BT bot, but I died though.
Why is your truck still alive?
What happened to yours?
It goes away when you drive, or is it supposed to?
Oh.
Oh, he's sitting. Alright, we can build sandcastles.
Wow. What a fun activity. Why do I have so many?
Let me bring Boost back.
Okay. Oh my, I can shower. I didn't finish. What are these? Help. They're like launchers.
Look at my sandcastle! No! I'm gonna build a pile of mush.
Fuck. No! This mini game is so hard. I built a tank.
Oh, it's matching your truck. He's on his truck.
If I like stomp on it, does it go away?
Yes.
Oh. Hee. Goodbye.
Come on, get on a jet ski with me.
I'm squishing my sculpture. Stop!
Goodbye. Help.
I'm coming.
No.
Wait, what the fuck? My screen started vibrating. Help.
We're gonna finish wheel together.
Whoa, jet ski, jet ski. Let's go on the Ferris wheel. Oh, look at my jet ski!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait. I need to get boost. Get on with me, Papa. Oh shit. Let's get on this one.
Dude,
Where are you?
I'm over here. Dude, I'm the French fry.
Why can't we sit?
Dude, get in the fucking Ferris wheel.
I can't.
You can. You haven't even touched it, you genius.
Oh.
Where'd you go?
I'm in the back.
What happened? Where'd you go?
Fuck this shit. I'm going to the fucking teacup ride.
Pea cup. The music. Bring more. This is a damn lame ride.
No, it's not. It's exciting.
It's not.
I'm sure if you went on that in real life, you'd fucking have a pity party.
What's a pity party? No, I mean what? I know what a pity party is, I swear.
You're a retard.
No, I know what it is. It's like not like a real thing, but it's like.
You are a retard, Jesus. Come here. Come here. Get on my flying saucer.
This isn't a flying saucer, dumbass. It's a go-kart. No. It's a bumper car.
It's not a bumper car.
That's a bumper car.
Uh-huh.
Dude, it's literally a bumper car.
Well, let's bumper car.
Okay.
I want a pink one.
Ah.
Bye.
I'm gonna put my hazards on. Is that even what they're called? Hazards? I don't know anything about cars. Oh my god, I can launch myself in the air. Fuck.
How?
I can't get in. Whoa, there's like that button with like the arrow, and you like click it, and then you like launch.
It is a flying saucer. saucer.
It's not. It's literally a go-kart. Oh my god. What's it called? Mario Kart? No.
Wait,
Bumper car.
Go to house 5.
Okay.
I'm gonna park. I'm gonna buy a funny house. I'm being shot at.
Why is this guy shooting at us? What does he have against us?
Fucking ghetto.
Yeah, we live in a ghetto-ass neighborhood.
With my China house.
Oh my god, there's two China
I got a
houses.
different house. This is like a fun future house.
It's a, yeah, it's a space. It's Among Us.
Shut the hell. Wait, is it?
Maybe.
I don't know what Among Us does.
What is it?
I didn't mean to say it like an old man.
Why am I, look, I'm using the computer.
I don't know what I'm.
Dude, look, I'm typing on the keyboard, but like, I'm not. My hand's just wiggling.
Big boy.
What is that with my laugh?
What type of hat should I give Big Boy?
Booty bot. The hat. Mars! It's Mick Mars! Papi da. Wait. Damn it. I can't see shit.
This is my hat of choice.
Okay.
Can you carry me?
Yep.
Oh. Can I carry you? No, I want to.
You don't even fit in my hands.
I was inside of you. That's not the door, retard.
I'm gonna climb your house. I set off your security alarm.
For being arrested.
Oh my god!
Hide. Oh shit, they went away. Here, wait, I can get a cop car and then I can put my thing on. Where is it? Oh. No! I can confront it, you know.
Damn it.
I'm peeing.
Why?
The car didn't even load.
How do I ride? Dude, No, I just teleported to a random house.
Where the rest in the fucking car?
My french fries are poking out.
I'm gonna beat your ass.
Dude, I can't stop doing that stupid ass laugh. Help me.
I'm frozen. I'm lagging so hard. Oh my god. It's pissing me off. Okay, come on.
Yeah.
I'll show you some real fucking sick moves, homie.
Okay. Sure. Wait. Oh, I'm
Bean boy, come on.
reject. I reject. Look, I reject.
Come on.
There's a fall down. Fuck. There's a fashion. There's a fashion animation. What is this one?
Wait, where? Oh shit, no.
I'm in.
Go back in. Go back in. Don't follow me.
Look. Wait. Look. Stay there. Stay. We have 30 seconds left.
Of what?
The video.
Oh shit.
Depressed. Moppy. I'm arrested. Look. Muddled. What does muddled mean?
Oh.
Yeah.
Fuck. Fuck. I'm
Frenchy fries.
cool.